unicorns. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Maryam and I'm here with a very special guest this time, my beautiful sister Hanifa. She's back on my channel by popular request, and today we are going to be teaching you guys how to do this unicorn hair and makeup. Just in time for Halloween.
Unicorn hair and makeup.
I don't know how to do the unicorn voice, but that's some talent right there. I think this look is perfect for a mom and daughter, or for sisters, or for best friends. Exactly. So if you're any of the above, I hope you guys get to try this look because it's a lot of fun, and basically you could use a whole bunch of makeup and glitter that you already own. That said, I hope you enjoy it. Remember to subscribe, comment down below if you have any questions, hit that notification bell, leave us any comments, and leave us some unicorn emojis if you love us. Let's get to this unicorn hair and makeup tutorial. Here we go. Unicorn Aru! Yeah!
Your hair's a little cranky.
Your hair's a little cranky. What does that mean?
I don't know.
Your hair's so nice. How do I get that hair color? First thing that we're gonna do is basically take a comb, like a rat's tail comb. This one that I have here is from Goody, and she has a whole bunch of them.
And I get to pick one. This is totally not ASMR, so don't even think that this is an ASMR video.
The first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna section off our hair.
You're obviously gonna take anything, like a part maker or anything, or maybe even a pencil, but I'd rather use this comb because I have it and it's like better. You're gonna like make a big part, and then you're gonna make sure that you have a lot of hair, so you will be able to wrap it around your unicorn horn. And we're gonna be using these to make the horn. We're gonna show that after.
You have to make sure that this first part is a square. First thing that we're gonna do is start parting out this big square.
I don't wanna make a square right away. I wanna start making it in the side.
Now that we're holding on to this first front section, I'm just gonna tie this ponytail with an elastic. Perfect.
Now I feel like Ariana Grande.
Wait, yours is like Ariana Grande. Mine is like to the side, like Beyonce. So the next thing that we are going to do is this back ponytail. It's going to be a literal ponytail because unicorns and ponies go hand in hand. What we're gonna do for that is pick up our trusty brush, just section off this hair here, and also on the other side.
Do we need to clip it somehow?
Yeah, if you need help. I am just gonna my mouth.
I'm not gonna be like that to my hair.
Okay.
Okay, I'll say it for you. I'm gonna take this brush and I'm gonna slick back my ponytail, like just like that, like a pro, and I'm gonna make it really neat and tight so it can be like a unicorn's mane and it can be really cute. Manes are really natural, and you guys want to be natural just like the mane.
That's pretty gross. My hair is now disgustingly wet. We want this back ponytail to be really high, very close to the part of the section that we're going to be using for the actual unicorn. So literally up here. I'm going to take another elastic and I am going to tie this hair together. Just the back section. Ooh,
that is hot.
That is fancy.
So I'm gonna be doing that a little bit differently. I'll be taking the clip instead of putting it in my mouth because I don't want it to be wet like my sister did. That was such a big mistake, girl. Goody sent you these and you're like, no? Okay, well, watch how the pros do it.
So sassy.
You're gonna take your part maker and you're gonna make a part just like, ooh, girl.
That is nice and clean, girl. I'm gonna help you out. I'm gonna part this part just for you.
Chilling. So I'm just gonna clip it like this.
There she goes.
Let me see if that's clean.
You don't trust me? You think that my parts aren't as clean as your parts?
Okay, so we're gonna take the same exact brush that my sister used. I'll use the same elastic, you know how I roll. Let's slick that hair back, girl.
Let's do it, girl.
That is nice as ice.
Gotta get that back. Need help?
I don't want that to be bumpy. Yes, thank you.
Yes.
You're slicking my...
I am so sorry.
Yes! You ruined it. You ruined everything.
There you go. You can have back your part.
Thank you so much.
Do you see this little hair that's sticking out? This is because one time I was in LA and this celebrity hairstylist was doing my hair, and he actually pulled out my hair because he made my ponytail so tight. Shocker. I know. So now that we both have our ponytails and our unicorn tails, we're gonna take these sections on the side. I am just gonna brush this hair under my ponytail and also the other side.
Let me fix that for you. And now it's nice and slick.
I'm gonna grab one of these little tiny elastics and I'm gonna tie this third ponytail right behind my main ponytail. And now this will actually prop it up a little bit. Your turn.
I don't like when my hair is in the way when I'm doing my hair, so I'm just gonna clip it a little bit.
She's so smart. I had to do that to her. I had to get her back.
I hate you. No, I'm kidding.
You love me. You're gonna pick them both up.
I'm gonna remove the clip like that.
You're inspiring me, you know?
And I got this. So we're gonna tie it. Make sure it's kind of close to the ponytail because you don't want to make it noticeable.
All right, so now that we have our main ponytail and the little ponytail on the side,
We're gonna take the small ponytail and we are gonna wrap it around our hair. This is optional if you guys don't want your ponytail rubber band to be shown.
I'm gonna flip this hair to the side. Ignore the baby hairs. Just enjoy the slick backness. Well, yours is looking pretty good. It's pretty snatched. I think I'm actually gonna use a little bit of hairspray before I start wrapping that ponytail, just because I want it to be, you know, nice and slick. That's like the theme of this video. Nice and
For now-
slick. You wanna make sure that these two parts here are on the thin side so that this wraparound actually makes sense. Otherwise, it's gonna be really, really bulky. I'm gonna use these clips right here. I'm gonna take a black one and I'm just gonna pin this wraparound hair right behind. I just feel like they're a lot more secure than bobby pins and you don't get to see them from the front. So a little hack for you guys. But you'd use bobby pins and yours looks pretty straight to me. I'm gonna release this portion of the hair
Me too.
because I actually want my unicorn to start right here at the start of my hairline and at the top of my forehead. So I'm gonna spray water.
I do mostly prefer to keep it in the front because you wanna have that. You wanna be a unicorn, like a really.
Thank you.
Okay.
Put this one all the way to the front.
Editor Maryam, please just add some unicorns around, like right now.
Great, we'll do that. So now we're gonna use these very awesome Goody Flexi-Rod rollers. You guys have seen me use these in my last year cat ears tutorial on Instagram. I will link it down there so you guys can check it out. Sorry for smacking. So what we're gonna do now is pull out this skinny blue one. We are gonna take a comb. We're gonna use the rat's tail part and we're just gonna insert it right under our ponytails, just like that. I'm gonna make a little bit of space in there and I am just gonna push this thing all the way through.
I prefer like rolling it up like this, like a little bit, like that, and that's gonna make a hole. It's gonna make some space in it. And now let's add it in.
Yeah, almost. Boom! So now I'm just gonna tighten this ponytail. And now you literally can do just about anything with this thing. It'll stay.
Like for a long time. So you know how the unicorn's horn is a little bit twisted? So we were thinking twisting the
our
actual,
Flexi-Rods.
the mold.
The mold, exactly.
The mold.
What a good word.
I'm gonna do one at a time. So I'm gonna do this piece first because my hair is a little short.
I'm gonna make sure that my hair is in the front. I'm gonna spray this hair. Gonna brush out my hair as well. Gonna start very gently wrapping this hair around this mold. Okay, I think I'm getting it.
I think I'm getting it too.
Girl, look at us! Now I'm just gonna take a bobby pin and I'm gonna stick this along the horn and along our little mold here. So at this point it should look kind of like this. Don't worry about the mess because I have another hair that I'm gonna wrap around it. I'm gonna actually try to wrap it in a completely opposite direction.
Hey, that's so good. Actually, I think I'm doing well.
Ah! Yeah, you are. Hello, unicorn.
Hello, unicorn.
Well, here are our unicorns. They're a little bit imperfect, but you don't want them to be too perfect, obviously, because this is made out of hair.
Perfect.
Definitely not that difficult, but it really helps to have a partner. So I'm glad I have her right here next to me.
I'm gonna decorate my hair.
I'm just gonna cover up some of this baldness that I have going on.
So let's just start with some glitter. So we have this.
Glitter spritzer from Dry Bar and Too Faced.
You have to shake it really well or the glitter won't come out.
Ooh! In my true fashion, I am just gonna snatch my baby hairs in place.
Ooh.
You have the best baby hair skills.
I know, I got it from my sister. You know who that is? I don't think I know you know who that is. Go follow her on YouTube. If you did it really well, I think you guys should actually take a picture, like send it to my sister on Instagram, DM her.
Or post it on your Instagram and tag me so I can see it and like it. Oh!
Guys, oh my.
I'm gonna take a little bit of this holographic foam from IGK Hair.
And I'll take this pink one.
Oh my god, it's really tough. There it is.
So guys, this is how mine looks like. It's very glittery actually. Oh my god.
While I'm doing this. Are you really having like the best time of your life?
Yes.
Are you getting a kick out of this?
Yeah.
All right, so you use this one. I'm gonna use this one also from IGK. This is my pre-party spray, which I love.
Goody gave us these really cute star clips, and we're gonna add it in because, you know, unicorns dancing in the stars. Or just add it like that. Oh, so cute!
Boom! All right, so now I think we're ready to move on to makeup.
So I'm gonna be using this Herborian Glow Cream.
Boom.
I look so pretty.
I got this eyebrow package the other day from Kat Von D, so I think this is actually the perfect opportunity for me to utilize it. I might use yellow. Pink.
Oh, yes, 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 yes. I'll be using this Milk Makeup blusher thing. Ooh! Ooh.
Oh, that is really cute. Super Brow Pomade. The shade is called Daffodil, like the flower. Whoa. Ooh. This is so cool.
So I'm gonna be using this rainbow looking, cool looking brush. I'm gonna like blend it in a little bit.
So I think I'm gonna add in more pink. So it's gonna be mostly pink and just a little bit of yellow.
You're doing well, girl. You're not that good as makeup as your sister, but you know, you can do
I think
this.
you're pretty good actually.
Yeah.
And you're pretty damn good at hair.
Thank you. Okay, so I'm gonna be using this Dose of Colors Eyes Cream palette.
Get it? Ice cream.
Eyes cream. Okay, yes, this is very pigmented. Oh my god.
Are you obsessed?
I'm very.
I'm gonna use some of this glitter from this Pop Beauty palette. I'm gonna use that red glitter on the bottom. And I'm just gonna add that glitter right on top of these brows.
I'm gonna be fancy. I'm gonna do a blue eye here and a pink eye here. I'm gonna be taking this bubblegum, the pink one over here.
I think I'm finished with my eyebrows. They are looking rather good.
Can't really.
Oh, yours is so cute. Can I blend it out for you?
Yeah.
I think for kid makeup, you really don't have to go too crazy. Just like a color or two on the eyes is more than enough. And you did a great job yourself, girl. Perfect.
I'm gonna be using this Too Faced Unicorn highlighter. It's very beautiful. It's aesthetically pleasing.
Ooh. You are so far ahead.
Because this is kids makeup.
While she's doing that, I'm gonna pick up this Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions palette. And I'm gonna pick up this pink shade here. So I'm gonna start adding this pinkness to my contour areas. So right here on the side of my forehead, to the temple area, kind of just blending it out. Very similar to my witch Halloween makeup.
I already finished with this unicorn highlighter, so now I'm gonna be using this Laura Geller New York highlighter. It's like, it has a really cute holographic tint in it.
It's called Diamond Dust.
Very unicorny.
All right, so I'm just gonna continue contouring and adding this pinkness to the perimeter of my face, right under my cheekbone area. I'm gonna pick up a paler pink shadow. This one is from an old Lime Crime palette. And I'm gonna pick it up with this fan brush. And I'm gonna apply it right on top to kind of like blend with the contour. Is it contoured or do I need more?
I think it's too much pink. You should be fancy and like add some blue to make it look ombre. You don't wanna go for like only pink unicorn. I don't know, just being honest here. Family should be honest.
That is true. In that case, I think I'm gonna pick up a little bit of Artist Couture Mermaid Fantasy Highlighter because it's a really pretty,
I did not know that.
kind of mermaidy, which can also be unicorny. I'm just gonna pick up a little bit of that and boom. Holy crap. Oh, that light. I think my sister's a little bit jealous of my glow.
Am I?
Are you?
Am I?
Are you? I am gonna start on my eye look. I see that you have two different eye looks happening, so I'm a little bit inspired. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna do the opposite eye though. So this one is gonna be purple pink and this one's gonna be teal. I like your eyeshadow game.
So I'll be doing my eyebrows.
This is the turquoise that I was going for. Ooh! This is actually Maybelline Lasting Drama Pencil in the shade Silken Turquoise.
And I'm also using Maybelline product. Same exact thing I used for my baby hairs. The good thing about this is that a girl like has an important event, a dance, a prom, whatever, Halloween. I definitely don't prefer black mascara because you're gonna wake up with dark circles around your eyes and you don't want that. You wanna be pretty, beautiful, young,
Fresh.
fresh. I'm gonna add a glitter in my eyebrow.
And I'm gonna do my other eye with a purple liner. Thanks for giving me that brilliant idea, sis.
I'm gonna be funky and I'm gonna add some pink. You have a lot of pink going on.
I do.
I'm gonna get inspired by you. Ooh.
Oh. Look, I made little horns on my eyes. Little unicorn horn wings. Get it?
Yeah.
Thanks for the pity laugh. I appreciate it. All right, I'm gonna use the same glitter liner that you used for your eyebrows, and I'm gonna top this liner slash unicorn horn liner wing. That was your cue to laugh at my joke. That is bedazzled. I have these really unicorny, funky lashes here from Tarte, actually. I think I have so much colorful stuff going on that I'm just gonna go for regular black mascara. And this one that I'm using is from Tarte. It's their waterproof formula.
This eye curler is so good.
Oh, the Lancome, yeah, it's amazing.
It feels so colorful.
So while you do lips, I'm gonna apply these lashes. That color's really pretty. Which one is that?
It's the called Sugar Chick from Maybelline.
Oh, well, these lashes are everything. That's so pretty. I love it. It's perfect. It goes with your whole color scheme today. Ooh, mine is looking cute.
We need to add stickers. Promise me.
Okay, yeah. We're gonna use this MAC Nico Panda sticker sheet.
Oh, I have this really...
Unicorn tears. All right, so this is our final unicorn hairstyle and makeup. So I think my favorite part about your makeup is, can you guess what it is?
The eyes.
Yeah, the eyes and the brows are definitely my favorite in your makeup. So now tell me what's your favorite part about my makeup.
I think your cheeks and the contouring, I think you did that pretty well.
Well, thanks.
Add that unicorn emoji. Woo! Add one on my face too. 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god, there's so much hair here. It's disgusting.
Ew. I'm so sorry.
It's okay. Backwards. It's backwards. Boom.
Oh, I heard Bowie snore.
I know, he is the cutest little thing.
I wish I had a third cat.
Spray the back of your hair. Oh my god, that's my actual face! This girl always trying to sabotage me. So.
Hello.
My hair. But gum.
I think you are an amazing mermaid slash unicorn.
Do it.
Yeah. We need to practice that one. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you liked our hair tutorial and our makeup tutorial in this unicorn style. I hope you get to try it either by yourself or with your sister or with your daughter or with your
best friend.
Exactly. And definitely tag me on my Instagram so that we can see it and so we can like it. We love you guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Click that like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, and all her social medias will be in the links down below.
And some videos right here for you guys to check out. Check them out. Boom, 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 boom. We'll see you guys very, very soon.